Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to blur face in Picsart. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to the Picsart application. After opening the application, you will see this interface. Here, what you're simply going to do is click on Edit a Photo button, then it will open up your gallery. Now, click on the photo that you want to open on your Picsart application. Now, this is going to open the picture that you want to edit. Now, what you'll have to simply do is click on the tools icon at the bottom. Here, you'll have to choose selection. So, click on this selection icon and it will open up this interface. Now, you can see rectangle, oval, brush, erase and lasso tool at the bottom. Here what you'll simply do is click on this brush icon. Now, this will give you the size of brush. Here, you can adjust the size of brush that will appear at the top. After adjusting the size, what you'll have to basically do is zoom in the face and highlight the areas. So what you'll have to basically do is, using this brush tool, highlight the areas that you want to blur. It could be any object or face. In our case, it is face. So we'll select the face, highlight it, then click on the effects icon at the top and you'll have to simply navigate to the blur section at the bottom. Now, click on blur. Now, as you can see, it successfully blurred the face. Now click on this tick icon at the top right and as you can see the face has been blurred but the face is still visible. So you can navigate to effects again, go to blur, choose blur, click on the blur icon again, increase the strength of blur. So choose blur like this. You'll have to basically take this circle and scroll it to the right. You can also choose fade if you want, like a blur with a fade, but we are not going to do that. Make sure you take the blur to the right, click on the tick icon and as you can see, I successfully blurred this face. Now, if you're not satisfied with this kind of blurring, what you'll have to simply do is, first of all, remove the selection, then click on the oval icon, click on plus oval. Now, select the area that you want to add. So I'll have to just cover the face in this oval. So basically, make a circle using this oval tool on the face. Then click on effects. Click on the blur icon again, it will open up this tab where you can increase the size of blur. You can also click on multiply and add fade, color burn, darken, lighten, screen overlay and other kind of blurs. But what we are going to do is do the normal blur and click on the tick icon at the top and as you can see, the face has been successfully blurred. Now, you can use the eraser tool by clicking on erase icon. Now, click on the tick icon at the top and this will confirm your selection. Now you can click on the download icon at the top, click on save as JPG, ensure that the quality is set to 100 and the dimensions are correct, then click on save and this will save this picture on your mobile phone. Now, one more thing I'm going to tell you about blur is, click on the tools icon, click on selection, then you can choose rectangle, click on plus rectangle and choose a rectangular area to blur. After choosing this, you can navigate to effects again, navigate to blur. And in here, you can see you have a background blur, facial zoom, radial blur, pixelize and lens blur. So I'm going to choose lens blur here. Now click on lens blur again and here you can choose the radius of this lens blur. You can also choose the lightness of this blur. You can choose rhombus, triangle and any kind of blur that you want. Increase the radius, click on tick icon at the top and this will blur this person in this picture. You can click on the tick icon again and as you can see, the layers have been merged. So, using these tools, you can blur any faces you want in Picsart. So, blurring faces in Picsart is quick and efficient, perfect for protecting privacy or achieving creative effects. With a few taps, your edits will look polished and professional. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.